Service in Gray, Maine has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, east central Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Goffstown, or near Manchester, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Manchester, Bedford, Hooksett, and Goffstown around 5:55 p.m. Raymond around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Chester, Auburn, Candia, Deerfield, Allenstown, and Sandown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 19 and 28. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Rockingham.